Hello and welcome everyone to another Python 3 tutorial. This tutorial is going to be about classes. The basic idea of a class is to encase or group similar functions or variables together. So let's see how to define a class first, and then we will talk about why we need classes. So to define a class, you first type class. So class is a keyword and then your class name. So let's say calculator. Now this is our class calculator, and as I said, a class groups similar or related functions or variables together. So for class calculator, those functions can be add, subtract, multiply or division. So let's define some functions. So let's define addition first. So def add, and let's take two parameters x and y, and we'll print the addition, print x plus y. Now let's also make a function for subtraction. So def sub, also x and y, print the subtraction. And let's also make for multiplication, x, y. So let's just have these three functions, and if you want you can add division later. So this is how you define functions inside a class. Now let's see how to access these functions. So to access a function inside a class, you first type the class name, so calculator, and then the dot and then your function name. So let's say you want to add, so calculator dot add, and inside the brackets you pass the parameters. So let's say 1 and 2, and let's save it and run this. And you can see it prints 3. So let's change this to multiplication. So mul, 1 into 2 is 2. So let's run this and see what it does. Sure enough, it prints 2. Now let's do that with subtraction as well, and it should print -1. And yes, it prints -1. So this is how you can define and access functions from a class. Now you can also define variables. Now variables are called as attributes in class, but it doesn't matter, both are the same. So let's define a variable pi, which will be equal to 3.14. Now you can use this variable inside your functions, or you can directly access it. Now to access a variable from a class, you first type the class name, so calculator dot pi. You can see both of these are pretty similar. Now we access the value of pi, but we need to print it as well, so we'll encase it in print. And now when we run this, it will print -1 and 3.14, and you can see it prints -1 and 3.14. So this is how you access variables, functions from inside a class. Now we have a class calculator, and we have some related functions inside it like add, subtract or multiply grouped together. Now you can have other classes like a class for person, where the functions can be walking or running, and the variables could be, let's say, height or age. You can have any classes you want. Other example could be a class for bottle, where the functions could be if the bottle is empty or if the bottle is full, and the variables could be the diameter of the bottle, etc. So class basically allows you to encase these functions and variables, so it is easier to understand the code. That's just the basic explanation of classes. There's some other stuff you can do with classes as well, but we'll look at it in the next video. Hope you guys are able to understand this tutorial. This was just the basic introduction to classes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, subscribe if you liked it, and until next time.